Use HTML coding for your eBay listings. If you're not familiar with HTML, you can use any software, or you can just get a quick book, or you can read anywhere about HTML coding. It's not necessary to use exact HTML manual written code. You can use you can manage it basically anywhere. HTML is very easy to use, and it's a great option to save money and increase your eBay income. For example, there's a software called Dreamweaver. That's what I use. There's a lot of software that you can search it online. There's a free software, there's a professional software. Any software is good to use for eBay HTML editing. HTML is a very important step in eBay sales, just because you can enhance quality and design of each listing. You can insert videos, pictures, text, colors, anything you can insert. eBay allows you to edit your HTML as much as you want. Just make sure you don't put your email address or any other issues, any other information that could conflict with eBay policies and rules. Make sure you follow the eBay policies. If your item is over $200, if it is an expensive item, or if it's electronics, it might require you to have a certificate for it. Otherwise, eBay will suspend you as a seller. You need to have a proof of an item if it is under the new condition. If it is a used item, you might not need to have a certificate for it. Therefore, make sure you always follow the eBay policies and rules, and always keep yourself updated.
Today I want to introduce you to HTML coding and how it is beneficial on eBay sale. As you know me before, I'm a creator of a website called howtosellonlinesuccessfully.com. You can go ahead and visit my website. You'll options and opportunities to learn a lot of tips on how to increase your eBay sale. My website is pretty much all about how to sell online, so go ahead and visit my website. The link is provided to you on the bottom of the video. So in this video I want to tell you the most common mistakes of people that do not know how to apply knowledge of HTML coding, or at least creative imagination knowledge. So please pay attention to this most common mistakes that sellers make on eBay, and try to avoid them. One of the best softwares like Photoshop. If you don't have it yet, I definitely strongly suggest you to get Photoshop CS5 and learn a few simple things out of my video tutorials and my website, how to edit the background of image on eBay, and how to upload the image with a white background, because it definitely attracts more buyers to your items. I want to show you the most common mistakes of people that make on eBay, most common mistakes of sellers. So right here you can see that the person's title is too short. The eBay gives you opportunity to use 80 characters in a title to describe your item as better as possible, and so try to use that 80 character limit to the maximum. Try to describe it as much as you can. Another thing is one of the greatest things on this sale is the free shipping. Free shipping will get you to the top sellers, and go with the free shipping if you can. If you sell the items approximately that fit into the flat rate envelope boxes. Another great thing, make sure you place at least four images, at least 4 on the bottom here, because people with cell phones and that have apps like iPhones and any other devices, iPads, they have eBay apps, and they usually, when they click, not all of them apps, especially on the smaller cell phones, they don't show you the description part. So that's why most people don't even look through the description if they buy something from cell phone. So make sure you describe your item as much as possible on the title as well. You try to sell it for the lower price to beat your competitors, and go visit free shipping to increase your sale by reaching a top seller or power seller on eBay. And don't forget to put at least um, 4 to 6 pictures up here. The eBay right now allows you to insert up to 12 pictures for free, so make sure you use that opportunity. Now I want to introduce you to HTML coding and why most of the sellers never reach their goals. It's because you have to use your creativity and simply just use other things that you use in life to help your eBay sale, and that would be something like a description. Make sure you're honest and brief in your description. Make sure your description includes shipping policy, and make sure it includes terms of sale, especially if you offer a best offer or free shipping, or there's a return policy. Make sure you include that in the description. This person does not have a description at all. Like, this is not even a description. There's no HTML coding, there's no design, there's no shipping terms of sale or nothing. So here, if you're not HTML coding specialist, I want to introduce you to this great software. It's called Macromedia Dreamweaver 8. It's a shareware license, so it does cost you money. It's around $120, but you can always look up on Google. A lot of people already purchased unlimited license. That means you can use the same key over and over and over again to the same program. Usually the corporations do that. So there are people out there that work for companies. They usually get the codes and the serial number, and they put it out there on the forums. So go on Google and type in, look for the Macromedia Dreamweaver 8 serial number, and most likely you'll find it. If you can't find it, well then try to get it from your friends, I don't know, somebody who has it, or in a bad case scenario, just go and purchase it. Definitely trust me, worth it. This software right here, Dreamweaver 8, it allows you to do the coding. It allows you to split view, where you can see the changes in the coding and as well changes in pictures, details, description. You can change it directly right here. It will give you the properties bar right here, so you can make some changes. You can make a text bold, italic, or align it left, right, justify the lining, anything you want. As well, you can just use the design part. So if you're not specialized in coding, when you download the design part, when you design your thing, when you dropped images, you can just go to the split view or the code view. You Ctrl+A, select everything. That's what it does. Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C, you copy all the text, and then when you go to your item, when you download the title on your eBay page, let me lower it, zoom out this view for you. When you chose your category, when you made a long title, well, this is just an example page. Just want to quickly show you where you put the coding. When you finish with pictures, you reach the standard view of your description. And let me just erase the previous stuff. Make sure there's no HTML left. If you had anything else before, delete that. So you go from the standard view to HTML tab, because if you put the HTML coding in the standard view, it will just show the entire description and design, and everything is just a bunch of weird symbols and coding, so you don't want that. You just click on the HTML tab, and that's where you paste your HTML coding. And then please don't go back to standard tab, because most of the people, they just go back to standard if they want to edit something. If you want to edit description, if you made a misspell or mistake somewhere else, edit it directly in the coding, directly right here. That's where you want to edit it, and then you want to recopy again the code and paste it back into into the HTML tab. But if you go back to the standard, it automatically erase this background code for you. It will erase a lot of other things in HTML coding. I don't know why the eBay does it. So I just wanted to notify you that if you use a body background image, it will automatically be erased if you edit anything in the standard tab of eBay online service. So this is another great option for this program, that you can always do any modifications to your description and just copy paste the code, and it looks great. It looks something like that. It looks very pretty, very professional. You can insert images in the description